What if one jet could vanish from radar screens, dash 1,500 kilometers into enemy territory at Mach 2, and fire missiles that obliterate airborne command centers before alarm sound? Russia's Su-57 turns World War III skies into a lethal hide-and-seek, where detection gaps mean crippled fleets and endless aerial attrition. Right at the 1-minute mark here, drop a comment now. Can the Su-57 stealth hold up against F-22s or F-35s? Let's hear your analysis below. The Sukhoi Su-57 Felon stands as Russia's fifth-generation multi-role fighter, engineered for air superiority, precision strikes, and electronic warfare dominance. Originating from the PAC-FA program launched in 1999, its first flight occurred in 2010, with operational service declared in December 2020 after extensive trials. By January 2026, Russian aerospace forces field over 30 production aircraft, with serial production at Komsomolsk-on-Amur ramped to 20-plus units annually, targeting 76 by 2028 and hundreds more by decade's end. Twin-engine architecture with 3D thrust vectoring distinguishes it from Su-35 predecessors, blending raw agility with low observability for multifaceted threats. This airframe integrates carbon composites, 25% of structure, titanium alloys, and radar-absorbent coatings, reducing weight while enhancing durability under high G stresses up to 9G. Modular design allows rapid upgrades, like the forthcoming Su-57M with second-stage AL-51F1 engines, boosting thrust by 20% and fuel efficiency. Crewed by a single pilot in a glass cockpit, it fuses data from multiple sensors into a 360-degree battle space picture via helmet-mounted displays. Stealth defines the Su-57's edge. Frontal radar cross-section, RCS, clocks in at 0.1 to 1 meter squared, orders of magnitude below the Su-27's 10 to 15 meters squared. Achieved through canted tails, serrated edges, and serpentine air inlets masking turbine blades. Diverterless supersonic inlets minimize drag and radar returns, while internal weapons bays preserve this signature during armed patrols. Rear aspect stealth lags at 10 meters squared, but mission profiles prioritize frontal approaches. Avionics shine with the N036 Bielka AESA radar. 1,514 TR modules in the nose scan 400 kilometers for stealth targets. Side arrays, 2 L-band panels, provide 360-degree awareness, detecting cruise missiles at 70 kilometers. The 101 KSV electro-optical suite includes OLS-50M IRST for passive tracking up to 50 kilometers, even against cold-launched threats. Himalaya ECM jams X-band radars, while DIR-CM lasers blind incoming missiles. Newer Su-57M1 integrates AI for threat prioritization, automating sensor fusion to cue weapons without pilot overload. Twin Saturn AL-41F1 engines deliver 147 kilonewtons thrust each with afterburner, propelling the jet to Mach 2+, 2,500 kilometers per hour at altitude, supercruise at Mach 1.3 to 1.6 clean, and service ceiling of 20 kilometers. Combat radius spans 1,250 to 1,500 kilometers internal fuel, extending to 3,500 to 4,000 kilometers ferry with tanks or buddy refueling. Thrust vectoring nozzles, plus or minus 15 degrees pitch and yaw, enable post-stall maneuvers, Pugachev's Cobra, and flat scissors that outturn fourth-gen foes. Fuel fraction exceeds 0.4, sustaining supersonic dashes without afterburner guzzle. Levcon's leading-edge vortex controllers enhance low-speed stability, critical for carrier ops or drone mothership